Hello, everyone, and welcome to Microsoft Intune online course video 2. And we're going to continue with our Intune course lab. I'm just going to go ahead. So today's agenda is our Intune lab environment, online lab environment, and on-premises lab environment. So we're going to be talking about our Intune lab environment, why do we need it, and then why two environments, cloud and on-premises. And then we're going to go for each that what exactly we need to do. So let's get going. Okay. So our Intune lab environment, we need lab environment to implement all the labs step by step. So obviously, if we just listen to the course and don't follow along and don't do it ourselves, then definitely just listening is not effective, right? And what you do, you remember longer, and what you just see, unless your memory is so good, you're going to forget that, right? So what you do, you always remember, you gain experience, uh, you are making mistakes there, then you're troubleshooting that, you're finding solutions online. So doing, implementing the technology gets you the confidence on that product, on that technology. So suppose you're going for interview after doing this courses lab at least two times end to end. And then in the interview, when they ask any question about Microsoft Intune, so the level of confidence will be high because you would have worked hard. You would have known so much about Microsoft Intune inside out that the way you're going to talk about the technology, it will be so comfortable, and interviewers will be impressed that you're really working hard, right? And you know the product inside out. This is the guy we need if they needed your Intune skills as the primary demand for the job, right? So that's why following along is mucho or muy importante, right? Okay, so why do we need two environments, cloud and on-premises? Well, we need two environments because Intune is in the cloud. So when we say Intune is in the cloud, in the cloud, so it's because, well, when I say because, I mean obviously it's in the cloud. That's why. So there is that SaaS, uh, applications, right? That apps and Intune is so Microsoft 365, right? What an excellent writing, right? So Microsoft 365 has all the SaaS products to offer, and there is for identity and access management. So it's Entra ID, right? And then there is to share all the documents and connect it to different applications with and collaborate with the teams on projects. There's SharePoint Online, there's OneDrive, right? And that is where 1 terabyte each user has, and you can save all your stuff. And Teams to do actual Teams meetings, conferences, and collaboration, one-to-one chat. So there, that's amazing product, as well as Intune to handle all the thousands of devices in a big company. And for example, Microsoft Windows, laptops, desktops, Linux, laptops, desktops. If you have iOS, Android, so all those devices you can handle, and then put some security policies and configuration policies. So for all that, especially for OS and applications, so you can put through Intune and manage them. There are so many others like Dynamics 365 for CRM configurations, handling your thousands of customers, right? And it goes on. The list goes on, right? So these are all the SaaS products that Microsoft has offered. Um, so we need to really know about these products, and to do it and to know it better, we need to have an online environment to learn it. When we do create an online environment, you might want to use the licensing that Microsoft offers. So there is E1, E3, E5 licenses, but the thing is that you have to go for, um, the license that offers the most services. In our case, obviously we need all the features of Intune loaded. My suggestion is that go for E3 first, and if it doesn't offer all the Intune services later when we go on in the course, then you upgrade to E5. In my case, I have my E5 environment ready. Uh, I need to have all those features available for me, obviously, to teach. Why I'm saying E3, because you will have to pay $43 for that dollars, right? Actually, 47, I think, but price may vary, right? So, and for this 75 plus, I think um, more or less $75, right, for E5. So the thing is that first month is trial, but the course labs would be longer. So if you're able to do that in first month, all the labs, that's good. Otherwise, my suggestion is to go ahead and pay that amount if you want to go for 30 per hour, 40 per hour job, which pays you like $5,000, $6,000 per month, or 100K plus minus, more or less per year. So spending $47 per month or $75 per month should not be a big issue if you're really serious about getting very good salaries in latest job openings. So when you invest money and effort, obviously you get a better opportunity, get a chance at better opportunities in the market, right? So that's why we need online environment, because Microsoft has offered these products online, and we have to create exactly the environment that we're going to be using in the production environment in the companies. So that's why we need this online setup. If I go back to the slide, oh, where is the slide? Okay, so here it is. Two environments. So online, yes, because Microsoft offers those products online, but why on premises? So that's where um, you know Intune manages all the machines, all the devices, and in the devices, what do you have? Operating system and applications, right? So you need to have some kind of device here to test Intune policies, right? So that's why we need to have, we'll be creating two virtual machines in our, two or more virtual machines in our laptop. So that would be Windows 10. Actually, Windows 10 is going to be deprecated this at the end of the year, 2025. So we're going to be all moving anyway to Windows 11. But if any number of companies still have a huge amount of Windows 10s. So how to manage those with Intune. And also later, obviously, we need to have iOS Apple device to be managed by Intune, and Android devices, right? So I need to show all that as well. But the thing is that we need two environments, because in production environment in companies we handle all the on-premises devices through online SaaS application called Intune. So from cloud, you handle on-premises devices. So in order to make a replica of that environment here, we need two environments. There you go. All right. So what do we need to do next? So importance of understanding concepts and implementing the technology. Obviously, if you don't understand, you can't really, explain about the technology in the interview. And obviously, you have to understand the concepts to implement those in the production environment, where suppose thousands of users are using that, and anything you um, do misconfigurations you do or any of such stuff, then obviously you will be in trouble and the company will be in trouble. So you have to understand here all the concepts and then you have to implement the technology because this is a practical field, right? This is a practical field. So you have to implement it to learn it, right? So understand the concepts, very, very important, and then implementing it again and again to gain confidence. That is also very, very important, right? I'm just trying to different accents as well. So the thing is, yes, go ahead, understand properly all the concepts of the features that Intune has to offer. How does it basically work? And then implement them again and again and again until you are very, very confident, right? So that's why we need two environments. All right, if I go ahead, Intune Lab, so it's a cloud side and on-premises side. Yeah, we talked about it. The importance of that we also talked. Okay, let's go get it. So, what do you need from the cloud side? Okay, so here's that link. Have a Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 account. In my case, I have E5 user account. So if you want to go, so I'm going to be putting this link in the description as well. I've clicked it and it takes me here. Microsoft 365 E3, no Teams. We don't need Teams for now. So we can grab this package. So it says here $47 Canadian, or whichever country you're trying to do that this lab from. So you can just check that out. The price there for E3 or Enterprise 3 license, it has Intune Plan 1 offering here. So if we try to go for E3, so it offers Windows 11, Enterprise E3, Microsoft apps for enterprise, for mobile, on the web, Outlook, Exchange, Bookings, SharePoint. It offers huge amount of um, apps there with Enterprise 3 as the company or enterprise would need. And here it says Microsoft Intune enable your workforce to be productive on all their mobile devices while helping to keep your organization's information protected. So if I click learn more here, so Microsoft Intune core capabilities. Get cloud-based unified endpoint management for your organization. It says endpoint management. So endpoint are your devices, Windows devices, Linux devices, desktops, laptops, iOS, Apple phones, tablets, Android phones, tablets, right, and Mac OS. So all those are endpoint devices, and Intune core capabilities are included in the Microsoft Intune Plan 1, right? So obviously with E5, you get Plan 2, or you can upgrade from here as well, just the Intune Plan 1 to 2. But yeah, this page would then show three new products are now part of the Microsoft Intune suite. Microsoft Intune Advanced Analytics, Intune Enterprise Application Management, very important. Microsoft Cloud, PKI, public key infrastructure are generally available and are part of it. So yeah, that's the page that just shows you what's in Plan 1. Well, what we need is there. If it's not there, we're gonna upgrade to Plan 2. because we need to explore all the major features that we need to implement and work on in our company's production environment. So get started with Microsoft Intune Plan 1, see plans and pricing. Try Intune Plan 1 for free. So bolster security and efficiency by adding the Microsoft Intune suite to your Microsoft Intune Plan 1. It's inside E3, but um, then it says Microsoft Intune Suite includes Microsoft Intune Remote Help, Intune Endpoint Privilege Management, Advanced Analytics, Enterprise Application Management, and Microsoft Intune Plan 2 as well. So you can upgrade always to Plan 2. Uh, Plan 1 is a prerequisite for the Intune Suite and is included with subscriptions to Microsoft E3, E5, F1. So E5 obviously has Plan 1 as well as 2. So enterprise mobility plus security, E3 and E5 and business plan. So we're gonna just go through that. So many companies have that deployed already, and they mention those companies' names and products and capabilities. So obviously, this link about Intune, I'll also mention in the description as well as in the slide. So okay, so that's okay. I'm just gonna save it somewhere else, or I'll just open a notepad. Okay, so I saved it there, and so go ahead and create a trial account, Microsoft 365 user account. Check if we can see Microsoft Intune services. Well, what features are showing in Intune dashboard? So the thing is that you have to upgrade to plan 2 later, but right now plan 1 is enough. So I'm just gonna go back to this page where it says try free for 1 month, right? So you just have to go to that page, and if you have filled the forms before, then you just need to fill this form as well. It comes to this page, subscription and account details. It says that please solve the puzzle so we know you're not a robot. So I'm going to try this now to prove that I am not a robot. Okay, what is it saying? Pick one square that shows two identical objects. What? Uh, mm, hey, I need to edit this. Seriously. Okay, identical objects. Right? Yay. Okay. So try free for 1 month. You want to go for 1 year plan. I'll switch to monthly plan. And with taxes, it goes down to $57.12 for one user per month. But it does give you 25 free users to test on, so that's just very good. How many people for this? Yep, for now it's one, because we want to keep the costs to the minimum. And payment due today is 0 because it's 1 month trial version. All you need to do is just go next, and then you have to put your email. So if I go for my email here, next, then it's just like a form filling you always do in other sites. So looks like you need to create a new account. Let's get you started. Continue. So it's gonna say that. Just put some email and then start creating your account. You need to fill out all this information for you. And once you go next, all right, seriously. Okay. Huh. It says all that. So it's going to ask after this screen to do the payment. So you need to put the credit card information there, and then it's gonna take you to the main dashboard. And you need to remember to give your domain name. Now, what I can do is I can try to fill it up here so I could show you, but obviously I cannot fill it in front of you in the video. So I'm just going to take it away to another screen, and I'm going to fill there. um, very, very fast. So job title, cloud admin, and company name, Cloud Engineers Academy, company size, one person. I put my address there. And does your company have a website? Um, no, for now. I'm just gonna go next because I fill out the address. Okay, province, Ontario. Next, so I'll go next. Now it is asking for to know that once you fill up the address, it goes to the next screen and it's asking for details that are you who you say you are. So send verification code. So I'm just gonna say text me and I put my number there, send verification code. I'm just showing you the whole um, process of opening an account. And yeah, I got the text. It's 490-354. So just verify and go and gone. Now it's going to ask for this, the domain name, right? So you can go for your name, domain name as well. I would go for Amir Admin 1 or your name Admin 1 or Toyota, Nissan 1, whatever, right? So just put that and it's going to attach its free domain name here. So you need to go for something really unique because globally it should be unique with onmicrosoft.com name, of course. So it's CEA I'm just writing, which is Cloud Engineers Academy. And today's date would be unique, right? So 20 April 2025. And I'll just put my favorite snack here, samosa. Okay, you can put your favorite food or place or whatever, right? And then I'm gonna put some password here as well. So I'll go for yeah. So I'm sure you don't know that. Okay, I have put the password. Now it's gonna say, hey, where is your credit card? We need to know who you are. So now we need to put the credit card information. Yeah, so that's where you put the credit card information and you just log in, right? Okay, so that's it. You need to create that account and log into it. And once you're done creating that, then you just need to log into Intune, right? And try to go to the dashboard and try to grab that dashboard for you. Actually, so I will show you now the production, sorry, the test environment that you should be logging into. So you will be logging into this home, Microsoft 365, and then there should be these services showing there, right? And if you, although it's going to be showing as the admin, so if you go there, three dots, and this, if this is already showing in the list here, then you can just click this admin button here. And once the admin button opens up, then you need to really go down, down, down. You have to click show all in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You have to go down and show all, right? And then keep going down, 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 down. You see the admin centers here. You see security, compliance, Microsoft Intune. If you just created the account, it's gonna not appear right away, but it's gonna appear um, maybe in 15 minutes, 20 minutes, sometimes 25 minutes as well. So just don't expect all these to be appearing right away. But as long as you see the Intune here, Microsoft Intune, so you can click that. And then, yeah, it just loads up Intune. And in Intune, Microsoft Intune Admin Center shows up here. And so let me just uh, you know fix it up also you could see it properly. So it shows exactly like this, and so this is the whole environment here, and there's home, there's dashboard, all services, devices, apps, endpoint security, reports, users, groups, tenant administration. So we're going to be going through all that, and but it shows exactly. It should look like this: intune.microsoft.com, and so we're going to be trying to configure the whole environment for all the features. And we're going to be attaching devices, on-premises devices to that. So we have configured the online environment of Intune. In next video, we're going to be configuring the on-premises environment as well, and then we're going to connect that the on-premises environment with the online environment, right? So we're going to be connecting the Intune devices. If I go to this map, so these are the Windows 10 and 11, right? So in next video, I'm gonna tell you how to configure properly the on-premises environment for Intune Lab. And once they're installed, Windows 10, Windows 11 in your VMware workstation inside your laptop, and all other options that you can set up the lab for. And then we're going to connect this Windows 10 to Intune and Windows 11 to Intune as well. So this is the cloud environment. Not much there, but definitely you have to make sure that you're willing to pay monthly fee because you are learning all the labs by doing them. So that's very important for the career. Obviously, once you get the job, you enjoy the rest of your life. But now is the time to really work hard and try to configure your environment properly, right? So I'll try to put the next videos sooner, and please do like, subscribe, share, and comment, because that encourages me to create more videos and do more effort, right? And okay, see you in next video with how to configure the on-premises environment. If there are any questions, you want to ask anything about concepts, about this course, about the career related, any advices, suggestions, so let me know in the comment section. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video, and bye bye.